Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create text boxes that look like this purely in Godot without any UI. So first, as you can see here, I already tested it out for my mobile game here, so it looks like this. Let me just animate this creature. So it's gonna look like this when it's done. So let's start by let's go to this inbox scene. So I'm going to delete what I just did, and then let's create a label node, simple label node, and then let's add some alarm if some text. It looks ugly shit. And let's set it to auto wrap and add some make it look a lot more manageable. So first thing is we need to add some font, because default font doesn't look that good in my opinion. So let's just add some font. Prototype, my favorite font. Now we can resize it this much. Next step is, so this is actually the juice of this tutorial. So we're going to create a custom style. Flat. You want to make a flat style, then you can edit that one out. So let's make it look a lot more brighter. That would do. And let's set the border at the same color, and then let's set up the border with the 30, then the radius. So the radius is, so it's, as you can see here, that the edge looks a bit sharp, so we're gonna make it a lot more smoother. It's 20. Let's set it all to 20 for now. So as you can see, it looks a bit smoother. Next is we can add some back shadows. So let's put it about here. Then let's set the size to 20. Or maybe just 15. 15. No, negative 15. 15. Check here, looks like that. So now you can just experiment with it more. Maybe you want to use it for like a text message type of interface. Now you can set it at 0. It's gonna look like that, and you just duplicate it maybe. Message. So that's just what this tutorial is for. Thank you for watching. See ya.